video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own artwork using Iron Orchid Designs lemon transfers and DIY paint. For this project, I'm using gypsy green and cake batter. Start by painting the frame with gypsy green. I painted slightly inside so I can blend with the cake batter. I'm going to start by painting cake batter in the center. Then I'm going to dip my brush in both colors and start to blend the colors around the edges. Keep blending until you get the look that you want. Allow the paint to thoroughly dry. I like to use a 320 grit sandpaper to smooth the texture of the paint and lightly distress the edges. When finished sanding, tap out the dust and wipe the excess off with a cloth. The transfer where you would like it to be by keeping the white paper on the back. Once you've removed the paper, use the stick that comes with the transfer to press down and burnish onto your tray. Once it's stuck, use your hand to smooth it out. I'm using the IOD brayer and white ink. Go in one direction on your stamp with just a little bit of ink. Carefully position your stamp, press gently. Be careful not to move it as that will cause ghosting. Allow the ink to thoroughly dry and paint on one thin coat of DIY paint and clear patina. Additional step, when the patina is dry, you can add clear wax to make your piece completely water resistant. When the wax is dry to the touch, off with a soft rag. Enjoy your finished artwork. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit my blog for links to my store, Alluv Place, to find all the supplies you need.